Gerak sana. Tangan jari.
Om Swastiastu.
Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm good, and how about you?
Okay, I'm very well, thank you. Nadib, have you got breakfast?
Yes, and breakfast.
What have you got for breakfast?
Zero and additional mathematics.
Okay. Learning, let's pray together. Could you please Ananda lead the prayer?
Before we start learning, let's pray together. Pray.
Thank you. Okay, student, please absent today.
No one has to do.
No one absent today. Okay, good. Before we continue our study today, I have some question for you. What types of social media do you use?
Instagram.
Yes?
Instagram.
Instagram. Okay. What else? What kind of social media do you use?
Twitter.
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 Twitter. Okay. Do you write something with the photo when you post your photo to
Yes.
social media?
Sure.
Okay. What is the function? What is the purpose you write something on the photo? Okay, ready?
To identify of picture.
To identify, to describe the picture?
Yes.
Okay, so what we call the sentence you write in the book?
Caption.
Okay, we call
Caption.
caption. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the caption. Yeah, this is the learning objective. Yeah. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to be able to identify the social function, structure, and language feature of caption tag. Ya, jadi tujuan pembelajaran yang pertama itu adalah di akhir pembelajaran kalian diharapkan bisa yang pertama mengidentifikasi, ya, menganalisis struktur, fungsi sosial, dan unsur kebahasaan dari teks caption. Kemudian next, the second one is you are expected to be able to make written text about caption. Ya, jadi tujuan pembelajarannya yang kedua, kalian nanti diharapkan bisa untuk menulis teks sederhana berupa caption. Okay, student. Next, we are going to play the game. Okay, the game we call connected games. So, when I write the words, so you have to use the last letter of the word to make the new word. Ya, jadi nanti ketika Bapak menuliskan salah satu kata ya di depan, jadi silahkan kalian gunakan huruf terakhir dari kata tersebut untuk membentuk satu kata. Ya, the terms of the word is you have to use the verb. Ya, jadi kalian akan menggunakan kata kerja. Jadi konteksnya adalah katanya adalah kata kerja. Oke. You understand? Do you understand the instruction? Come on.
Dari sekolah.
Next. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Give me applause to your friends. I'm going to show you the picture, and then after that you pay attention on the picture, and then after that you have to answer the question in the picture. Right? Okay. This is the First picture. Okay. Okay, this is the picture. Pay attention on the picture. Silakan diamati gambarnya. Okay, now please answer the question in the picture. Who is in the picture and what does he do? Who is in the picture? Okay, Raka.
Bali Gubernur Iwayan Koster.
Okay, can you raise up your voice?
Bali Gubernur Iwayan Koster.
Okay, what does he do?
Di atas berat right dealing human.
Okay, okay, student, this is the second picture. Who is in the picture? Raise up your hand. Okay, ready?
Presiden Joko Widodo and Mr. Bambang.
Okay, Presiden Joko Widodo, yeah, and Elon. Okay, what do they do? Lilia,
The army.
where is the location? Okay, ready?
Texas.
The location is in
Texas.
Texas. Okay. When does it happen? When does it happen? Okay, Ananda.
Year 2002.
Okay. All the picture that I show you is all about the caption. Ya, jadi gambar-gambar yang sedang menayangkan itu adalah tentang caption. Ya, to make you more understand about the caption, next I will explain what is caption, what is the function of caption, ya, what is the social function of caption, and then how to write the caption. Okay, attention please. Okay, caption. Caption is a brief text over or under a picture in a book, magazine, or newspaper that describe a picture or explain what the people in it are doing or saying. Social function of caption is to give information about the picture. We use simple present, to write about caption. Kita menggunakan simple present untuk menulis caption. Okay, this is the types of caption. Yeah, the first one is identification bar. Ya, jadi identification bar itu adalah describe who is in the picture. Only describe who is in the picture. The next type is cut line. Yang selanjutnya ada yang disebut dengan captionnya, ada yang disebut dengan cut line. Ya, cut line describe who is in the picture and what does she or he do. Ya, jadi apa namanya di cut line itu menjelaskan siapa saja orangnya yang ada di sana. Kemudian apa yang dilakukan. Ya. Oke, yang terakhir, the last type of caption is quote. Ada yang pernah baca apa namanya quote? Quote itu apa? What is quote? Kata-kata bijak yang dikutip dari we have 6 type of caption. Ya, ada yang bisa menunjukkan? Can you explain 6 caption? Ada yang bisa menunjukkan? Oke, Radit.
First, identification bar.
Oke, identification bar.
Line.
Yes, outline.
Third, we have the group identification.
Group identification.
Or summary.
Summary.
And 5, expanded.
Expanded caption. And then last one. Word. Oke, gitu. Oke, sebentar agar kalian lebih mengerti tentang apa itu caption, fungsinya, kemudian jenisnya. Itu nanti sebentar Bapak akan suruh kalian buat grup ya, consist of 4 person. Jadi anggotanya adalah 4 orang. Sebentar Bapak akan bagikan LKPD-nya, ya silakan nanti diskusikan latihan yang ada di LKPD. Selanjutnya, could you please make a group? Ya silakan. Silakan. Everyone is already in group? Yes. Okay, now I will give you the worksheet. Okay, next, please discuss with your friend about task 1 and task 2.
Kali ini salah caption. Ya,
Have you finished? Yes. Okay, now try to answer the question in task 1. Siapa yang mau menjawab? Who wants to answer? The picture 1 and the picture 2. Yeah, match with the correct caption. Here, Regina. Ada picture 1?
Soldiers carry their war purchase and umbrellas along to the beach near the Pasar Bali on March 14, 2023.
Okay, next picture. Picture number 4, number 3 and number 4. Okay, please.
A health worker holds up an information poster about monkeypox on November 1st, 2023 at the Puskesmas Community Health Center in Kedaung, South Tangerang, Banten. The Health Ministry is urging people to avoid direct contact with infected patients or animals to prevent the transmission of monkeypox.
Okay, next I will give you a task. Yeah, it is about group project. Yeah, about group project. It is about caption. You have to make one example of caption in your group. Yeah, the topic is you can choose whether you want to make summary caption, yeah, group caption or expanded caption. Ya, jadi Bapak kasih tugas project untuk kalian. Ya, silakan nanti kalian pilih topiknya, ya, dengan grupnya. Kalian boleh membuat caption tentang summary caption, expanded caption, dan group caption. Ya, silakan didiskusikan dulu dengan grupnya. You have to make write a caption in Canva. Ya, jadi nanti kalian akan menuliskan, ya, membuat captionnya itu di Canva. Ya, you have to make the caption or write down the caption with the photo in Canva. Okay, have you already chosen topic? Yeah, group 1. Which is group 1? Okay. What topic do you choose?
Summary caption.
Summary caption. How about you?
Summary caption.
You?
Summary caption.
And expanded caption. How about your group? Summary caption. How about your group?
Group caption.
Group?
Caption.
Jadi tugasnya nanti akan dikumpulkan di depan, ya, dengan topik yang sudah kalian pilih. Ya, jadi sekali lagi tugas proyeknya itu dikumpulkan. You have to collect your project next week. Sudah jelas? Do you understand what I said? Yeah. Okay, good. Before we end the meeting, so what have you learned today? Yeah, we learned about? Can you tell me the types of caption? Yes, Melanie? Could you please press up your voice?
The type of caption is identification bar, line, group identification, subdivision, explanation, and what.
Okay, give me applause to you. Students, for the next meeting, we are going to discuss about the project. Ya, jadi untuk pertemuan selanjutnya kita akan membahas tentang project yang sudah kalian buat. You have to present your project in front of the class, and we as a group give comment to the project of your friend, something like this. Okay. Do you have any question before we end the meeting? Okay, good. Okay, before we end the meeting, let's pray together.
Before we end the meeting, let's pray together. Pray please.
Okay, thank you. See you next week.
Sarana. Tangan dari
Okay, good morning everyone. How are you this morning? Okay, I'm very well, thank you. Before we start learning, as usual, let's pray. Could you please Ananda to pray?
Before we start the meeting, let's pray together. Pray please.
Okay, thank you. Are you ready to study? Yes. Okay, thank you. I will check your attendance first. Who is absent today?
No one absent.
Okay, no one absent? Okay, good. Okay, before we continue our study today, I have some question for you. Do you still remember what have you learned in the previous meeting? You learned about the caption. Do you still remember what type of caption? Okay.
Identification bar, outline, group identification, summary caption, explanation, and quote.
Okay, give me applause. What can we describe from identification bar? Do you still remember? What can we describe from identification bar? Okay, Nanda?
Identification bar describe who is in the picture.
Who is?
Who is in the picture.
Is in the picture. Okay, good. How about the second one? It is about group identification. What can we describe from group identification? Adit?
Group identification describe what is something more than the picture.
Okay, describe
Then one picture.
more than one person in the picture. Okay, the third one is about the cut line. Okay, can you describe, what can we describe about cut line? Lilia?
Outline is describe who is in the picture and what does he or he doing in the picture.
Okay, so cut line describe about who is in the picture and what does or she or he do in the picture. Okay, and then summary caption. Summary caption. Ananda.
Summary caption describe who, why, what, where, and when.
Okay, good. Okay, students, pay attention. Clap 1, clap 2, clap 2, clap 3, clap 4, clap 1, clap 2, clap 3, 1. Nah, ya. Okay, concentration, please. Okay, once more. Clap 1, clap 2, clap 3, clap 4. Okay, clap 1, clap 2, 1. Oke, masalahnya berapa konsentrasi ya? Oke, jelas ya. Pay attention please. Clap 1, clap 2, clap 2, clap 3, clap 4, clap 1, clap 3, 1. Oke, thank you. Okay, student. How about your project? Have you done a project?
Yes, sir.
Sudah selesai project captionnya? Okay, next, what you have to do is you sit with your group, and then after that you have to discuss about your project, and then after you complete your project, please submit the project to the Google form. Yeah, I have sent the Google form in WhatsApp group. Yeah, after that you have to present your project. Yeah, please discuss with your friends. Okay, now please sit with your group. Okay, student, please complete your project first. Yeah, and then if you already complete, please submit to the Google form. Ya, jadi silakan didiskusikan dulu untuk proyeknya, dilengkapi bagi yang belum. Silakan dilengkapi dulu. Kemudian kalau sudah, silakan kamu kirim ke Google Form yang sudah Bapak kirimkan di WhatsApp group. Ya. Nah, kemudian nanti siapa yang presentasi silakan disampaikan ya. Okay, students. Yes, every group have already submitted the project in Google Form. Sudah semua menggunakan di Google Form? Sudah. Who wants to present the project first? Siapa yang ingin mempresentasikan proyeknya? Oke, Nana from group 1.
Hi everyone, we are from first group. The presentation about summary caption. Before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Kada Aprilianisi.
And my name is Putra Yoga Pratama.
My name is Bayu Dawibu. My name is Igede Bagus Saputra Giri.
Summary caption is a caption describe about who, when, where, what, and why. What is the structure of the caption?
What, who, when, why, and where.
Okay, next group.
Good morning everyone, we are from the North. We will present about our project called caption text. The type of caption is summary caption.
Student at SMK PGRI di Madenpasar, pelajaran ini hospitality.
Where, why,
Tadi sudah lengkap ya. Oke, this is not our present. Okay, student, from the caption that we have already presented, to write a good caption, you have to pay attention more. Ya, jadi dari caption yang sudah kalian tayangkan tadi, ya, ada beberapa hal yang perlu kalian perhatikan, ya, dalam menulis caption. First, the caption should match with the picture. Yeah, you have to write in a short detail and give the detailed information about the picture. Jadi ketika kalian menulis caption itu perhatikan ya antara captionnya dengan gambarnya harus sesuai. Silakan tulis dengan jelas ya informasi secara ringkas dan jelas tentang caption tersebut. And then you have to pay attention on the tenses used. Ya, jadi yang kedua itu kamu harus perhatikan tenses yang digunakan. Usually we use simple present to write the caption. Jadi kita menggunakan simple present untuk mendeskripsikan gambar tersebut. Tadi ada beberapa yang masih keliru sedikit tensesnya. Ada to be di sana ditambahkan dengan kata kerjanya dan sebagainya. Ya, jadi untuk selanjutnya kalau perhatikan terutama di tensesnya yang digunakan. Tapi secara umum sudah bagus ya. Jadi captionnya dari gambarnya sama captionnya sudah cocok ya dan bagus mendeskripsikan. Jadi kalian nanti perlu melatih lagi untuk mempelajari tentang tensesnya ya. Okay, do you have any question about? Okay, before we end the meeting, okay, I will ask you apa yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini? Okay, you learn about? Can you mention the 6 type of caption? Bisa kamu menyebutkan 6 contoh dari captionnya? Oke, silakan.
Identification card,
Yes.
my proof identification, summary caption, explanation, and
And words. Okay, good. Okay, well, for the reflection, I have sent the reflection in the group. Ya, jadi untuk refleksi pembelajaran hari ini, Bapak sudah kirimkan Google Form-nya di grup PA. Ya, silakan nanti diisi. Okay? Okay, if there is no question, so before we end the meeting, let's pray together. Ananda, please.
Before we end the meeting, let's pray together.
Okay, students, thank you. We are going to meet again next week. Yeah. Okay.